follow me on Instagram, Tyler Espedia, first and last name. I'd love to talk to all of you guys. I'd love to answer questions if you guys have any. I mean, let's connect. Shoot me a follow. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you guys and showing you guys how you're able to, afford big stocks, how you're able to get into, big companies, these blue chip stocks that not many people are able to afford. So if we're looking at Facebook stock, let's just go ahead and dive in. We're going to skip all the bullshit. Let's go ahead and dive in. We look at Facebook, we see that the stock is currently priced at 172. Where is it at? 172.58. So per share, you'd be paying $172.58 to buy one share of Facebook. Now, if you're going to buy one share of Facebook, you better hope that this thing jumps to 200, 217, to even make a little bit of money. Now, not a lot of people have $172, and it's not even worth buying one, share in a stock. If you were to make any money on Facebook, you'd want to buy anywhere from I'd say around 50 to 100, or close to 1,000, 2,000. You guys can go ahead and multiply 1,000 or 50 by 172.58. That's how much you'd be paying if you wanted to be profitable. Now, I found a different way where you guys are able to trade stocks, these big blue chip stocks like Facebook, or we can go ahead and we can check out MSFT, Microsoft. Now, you're probably asking, why do I like trading these big stocks like this? Now, I like trading blue chip stocks because they're less volatile. I don't like trading, currencies that much, especially right now. I don't like how volatile currencies are. I love the way, certain stock, when it comes to blue chips, certain stocks, stock charts, trend. Like this one's perfect. I love that. They're always climbing and climbing and reaching new all-time highs. So that's Microsoft. This is 106. Let's go ahead and let's check out Netflix. NFLX. Netflix is a stock I really like to play around with. Now, imagine multiplying 50 or 100 or 1,000 by this. That's how much money you'd be having to pay in order to be profitable trading Netflix. And then in order to even open up an E-Trade account or a TD Ameritrade account, you need, and a lot of people are going to tell you this, you need thousands and thousands of dollars to be even trading, unless you're going to trade these terrible companies, these penny stocks, these companies that aren't even established, these companies that may even have 20, 15 employees with terrible financials. You don't want to be trading companies like that. At least I don't want to. I feel comfortable trading Netflix. I feel comfortable trading Amazon, Baba. I really like trading these companies because I understand these companies. These are well-established companies. You will never see me touch a penny stock. I will never touch a crap company. Ever will I ever touch a penny stock or a stock that's priced $15 per share or less. I guess you can say GE is a shit stock because GE is sitting around, I think, 13, 12 right now. I don't want to touch GE. I don't want to touch stocks that low. When we're looking at stocks that low, let's go ahead and let's take a look at Bank of America. If you're going to trade Bank of America, this is a pretty, this is more affordable if you did have $1,000. But let's say you only have $500 or $300 to invest with, or maybe even $100. Now, I don't advise you to invest with $100, but if you do have $100, when we get past this part of me explaining and showing you the importances and showing you guys why, what I'm about to show you is going to make sense. Bank of America is only $30 per share. It really ranges from 33 to 30, 33 to 30. I'm not looking to catch those short-term volatility moves. Now, when we're trading Netflix, Amazon, these big stocks, they can move in the week maybe 50 to 100 points per day. But let's go ahead and pull up the whole chart. So let's go ahead and go to Facebook stock. So when you're trading these stocks and you look at this chart, it looks perfect. Whenever you're trading these stocks and like I said before, you don't have any money and you definitely can't afford to buy 50 to 100 shares of this, you can use this broker, JFX.com. JFX is the broker. With this broker, you are able to trade stocks. And when you're buying these stocks, you can buy them in lot sizes. So let's say that you're buying these in CFD. So a contract for difference. Let's go ahead and let's Google CFD. It'll make more sense if I went ahead and did it the scientific way. A contract for difference, CFD, is a popular form of derivative trading. CFD trading enables you to speculate on the rising or falling price of fast-moving global financial markets or instruments such as shares, indices, and commodities, currencies, and treasuries as well. So when we're going back here, and if you're familiar with trading Forex, just like how you can trade US dollar, Japanese yen, euro, US dollar. I mean, if you have $100 in your account, you can place 0.01 to 0.02 on Facebook. And of course, based off of your account size and everything, I mean, if you're trading if you're trading with a $100 account, then you should only risk about 1 to 2%. I don't recommend you guys even trading with a $100 account. If you're trading with a $500, $300 to $500 or $1,000 account, then you know what? You have a lot more room when it comes to stop losses. You can risk a little bit more to make a little bit more. Of course, that's what it comes down to. So you're able to get into these big stocks: Facebook, Netflix. And let's go ahead and look at my watch list really quick. Goldman Sachs is a big one. You can even buy indices as well. Not a lot of people. I mean, if you're looking at NASDAQ, there was a point in time where we were making thousands and thousands off NASDAQ. I mean, right here, I remember, this is where the pullback was, about a 12% decline. Pulled back here, we were sitting on like $10,000, $15,000 profits at one point on NASDAQ. Now, look at the price of NASDAQ, $7,000. Multiply that by 30 or 50. Yeah, that's how much money you would have to invest in order to own that many shares in these indices. S&P 500. Let's go ahead and look at Boeing. Here's Amazon. It's in the thousands as well. I mean, you can go ahead and get into these stocks. You can trade these stocks trading lot sizes. So every single point it moves is 0.01, 10 cents, 0.02, 2 cents, all the way until you get up to mini lots. Then it's $1. Then you go up to standard lots. Then it's $10 per point. When you're trading stocks, you call them points. I don't necessarily like to call them pips. I like to call them points because I started trading stocks. I was trading commodities before I was even trading Forex and currencies. So that's why I refer to everything as points. But you guys should definitely go ahead and open up your demo account on JAFX, or if you're live, open up an account with JAFX as well with another live account. You can use that for trading stocks, while you use your other brokerage just for trading currencies.